Good morning to Encik Mazlan. We are from group S1/1, group 2. This is our assignment for this FMS presentations. So based on the requirement, we are we need to be able to explain a SCADA system used in industrial. So by referring to the instruction, we need to select and discuss an example of SCADA system, but then we design a new bottle filling so we can explain it more deeply, more clear. So we designed it. Okay. So back to the presentation. Okay, so in this assignment, the members in this group is me, Leong.
And me, Chong Jing Yang.
And me, Leah Amira Akila.
Me, Muhammad Nafifi.
Okay, so for this water filling, this manufacturing industry, we are going to use liquid filling, capping, and packing system. Okay, so for the table of content, we have split it into 4 tasks. So which means that each member will be having their own task. So for first one is introduction. It will be explained by Ilya. Second is system design, will be explained by Chuk. Third, project showcase will be done by me, and also the discussion and conclusion will be explained by Chow.
All right.
So now let's go to introduction, and I will pass to Ilya.
So for the introduction, SCADA or Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition is a system comprised of hardware and software components used to monitor and control industrial processes. With SCADA system, manufacturer will collect and analyze real-time production data, monitor and manage alarms, and program automatic control responses triggered by certain events or system parameters. So this task consists of 3 manufacturing processes, which are liquid filling, capping, and packaging.
Yeah. Okay, so now for the system design, I will pass to Chuk.
Okay. For the system design, so we have three parts of system design. So for the first part is liquid filling, and second part is capping, and third part is packaging. So for the first part, liquid filling has a monitor and control interface. So the monitor and control interface do as to increase the amount of box and decrease amount of box required. So they have a start button, stop button, and a reset button for the system. So when so for the tank, so when below 10%, it will stop running, filling into the bottle, and running again up to 100%, 90%. So for the capping part is has a actuator system. So for the cap the bottle, and after cap the bottle, it's run to packaging part, and for packaging part is to pack a bottle into the box, and after packaging the bottle is run into the output. So that's all.
Okay, so for the project showcase, we simulate the program through our CX supervisor. So based on the Shuk explained just now, okay, this is the tank that we have filled. Okay, so let's start the system. Okay, you can see that, okay, this is filling the bottle and then the tank will be dropped. Okay, so this is the actuator and this is the sensor. This supervisor file will be attached along with the presentation file through Ulen. So this is capping. Yeah, this is packing. Okay, so let's stop the system. So user can be select either to increase the bulk required or reduce the bulk required. So this is the reset button. So back to system ready. This reset button is which means that the operator is check the station, is it clean? So then only the system will be ready and to run. Okay. So for example, so now we run. So okay. So as you should, this is just a simple manufacturing industry that include motor filling, capping, and packing. So there's a hose that will be dropped down in and slot into the bottles to fill it. So will be reduce the risk to split out the water. Okay. So this one, this icon, this like a reducer, we simulate it as a flow meter lah. So that's all for these simulations. So this simulation actually can refer back, can be run back by referring to this supervisor file that will attach through this presentation file through your. Okay, so now let's pass back to return back to presentations. Okay, so for the part of discussion and conclusions, I will pass back to Chong.
Yes. Let's head to discussion and conclusion. Okay. SCADA system is a type of software that gathers, quickly analyze real-time data and sends command to control the process, like our task. So this system is fundamental in the automation industry because it allows business to study and anticipate optimal response automatically. So the SCADA system reliable operability and communication, just like communicate for each station, and vital to a company productivity. So the growth of the system is vital for supporting society, growing demand for products, service, and utilities. And the future brings many new opportunities for innovation and advancement in SCADA technology. Especially the 5G will make gathering data easier. That's all for my parts.
So thank you, sir. So if you have any question, you can try to contact us. Okay, so before we end for this video, okay, so back to this. So we have start and discuss example. Okay, so we have completed the presentation slide and also a video recording. So for this one, we will be not explain deeply through the system running. So because it's similar back to our lab 5 progress. So which means that the bottle moving, capping, this will be not explained too deeply. So each of the movement you can refer back to this project script or the individual object. Yeah.
That's all.
So that's all for our group presentation for this assignment of FMS. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.